Okay, today we're looking at the Roshield pre-baited mouse stations. These contain brodifacoum, one of the single feed rodenticides. The label here tells us all the information that we need to know before using the product. The bait comes in these bait boxes, which you get 5 of in the set, and they help to keep the bait nice and secure. A key is provided. To remove the key, just push down here and push into the front of the bait box here using these 2 spikes. Here we can see the bait. It's important never to touch the bait. There should be no need to touch the bait. The only time we need to open the box is to check on the progress of the baiting to see whether the bait's been eaten by the mouse. I'm looking at the best place for the bait box to be located. Rats and mice like to run up against surfaces, and in this case the mouse may well be running across here, so placing the bait firmly against the kick plate here will enable the mouse to go into the bait box. This is an okay location. It'd be a much better location if we were able to place the bait box right underneath the kitchen unit here, right towards the back wall there. This is a much more favourable environment for the mouse and will mean that there'll be much more likelihood of the mouse feeling safe, secure and more likely to feed.